Hello all of you, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talking about laptop, learning laptop, and we are going to solve the problem of letter. Instead of letter, there is some difficulties which have been number have been shown on your keyboard. I will explain this. In the laptop, uh, when we type the keyboards that I will show you. This is my keyboard, and when we type like G and GH, when we type GH and another J, but it's not in number, it have been showing the J1, K2 and L3. Instead of JKL, there have been showing to 1 2 3, and another like it's Y cam, but instead of U it have been cam 4, instead of I it have been cam 5, instead of O it have been come 6, but instead of P it have been come stars. Okay, that's good. Then A cam, B S cam, D cam, F cam, G cam, H cam, J have 1, and K have 2, 3, L have 3. That the biggest point is we have to remove this type of keyboard number. Then we have to do one thing, that press Fn, and here is the number lock F11. F11 is the number lock. We have to press Fn and F11 at the same time. Fn at the thumb Fn, and this thumb F11 I have removed. I have pressed. And then next I have to show you